Welcome to Vietnam Untold. Tucked away in the Ninh Binh province of northern Vietnam lies a place of enchanting beauty and historical significance, Trang An Scenic Landscape Complex. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has gained international acclaim for its breathtaking karst landscapes, winding waterways, ancient caves, and rich cultural heritage. Join us on a comprehensive journey through the wonders of Trang An, where nature's grandeur and human history intersect to create a destination of unparalleled beauty and importance. The heart of Trang An's allure lies in its mesmerizing karst landscape. Here, limestone karsts rise dramatically from lush greenery and clear, winding rivers. These towering formations, sculpted over millions of years, create a breathtaking backdrop that seems almost surreal. The karst formations of Trang An are home to numerous caves and grottos, each with its own unique charm. These caves, some of which are open to exploration, reveal hidden chambers adorned with intricate stalactites and stalagmites, adding to the sense of wonder within this natural wonderland. One of the most captivating aspects of Trang An is its intricate network of waterways. Visitors can embark on serene boat trips that meander through the region's lush landscape, offering an intimate encounter with nature's grandeur. The journey takes travelers through caves, under limestone arches, and past lush vegetation, providing endless photo opportunities. Trang An's waterways are not just aesthetically pleasing, they also serve as a vital habitat for a diverse range of flora and fauna. The complex is home to several endangered species, including the Delacour's langur, a type of leaf-eating monkey found only in northern Vietnam. In addition to its natural beauty, Trang An boasts a rich historical and cultural heritage. Scattered throughout the complex are numerous historical sites and temples, some of which date back over 1,000 years. Among these sites, the Bay Din Pagoda stands out as a place of spiritual and architectural significance. It is one of the largest Buddhist complexes in Southeast Asia, comprising numerous temples, shrines, and a towering 36-meter bronze Buddha statue. The pagoda complex offers a glimpse into Vietnam's Buddhist traditions and provides a serene setting for contemplation. Trang An's remarkable blend of natural beauty and historical significance led to its recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2014. This prestigious designation highlights the importance of preserving and protecting this unique complex for future generations. Trang An's allure is not confined to a particular season, it offers a different kind of enchantment year-round. In spring, the landscape bursts into life with colorful flowers and vibrant greenery. Summer brings the opportunity for boat trips and exploration of the region's caves. Autumn's mild weather is perfect for hiking and outdoor activities, while winter unveils a unique tranquility and misty beauty. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, a photographer, or simply seeking a serene escape, Trang An welcomes all with its ever-changing charm and endless possibilities for discovery. As Trang An continues to draw visitors from around the world, it serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between human heritage and the natural world. The preservation of this UNESCO World Heritage Site not only ensures its beauty and historical significance endure but also underscores the importance of safeguarding our planet's most remarkable treasures for generations to come. Trang An stands as a shining example of the harmonious coexistence of nature and culture, a place where the past and the present unite in breathtaking splendor. Thank you for watching Vietnam Untold. Stay informed, stay connected. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe now for all you need to know about Vietnam and Vietnamese Americans.